isn't anyone moving?
Oh no! Something is very wrong with time.
Nobita, did you press that mysterious button?
Maybe.
This belongs to the timekeeper. We must fix this immediately.
Whoa! A giant portal! Quick! We're flying through time! Hold on tight! This place is amazing! Welcome to the Clock Kingdom!
Thank goodness you're here. A talking fairy? The time crystal shattered into 3 pieces. Then we must find them!
The first crystal piece is hidden inside the Great Clock Tower.
Let's go! This play is huge. Stay close. The floor is moving. Jump carefully. I found it! Great job!
What's that sound? To earn the second crystal, solve my challenge.
We'll do our best.
Look carefully, Nobita.
I think I know the answer.
Correct. You have passed. We did it.
The final crystal is hidden beyond the rainbow cloud maze.
Let's go!
There are so many paths. Stay focused.
We're going in circles. Don't give up. I found a secret path. Amazing.